Welcome back to my channel, and if you're a first-time visitor, welcome. YouTube is one of the most visited websites in the world, with over 2.7 billion monthly users. For many, it's a place to learn, laugh, and connect, but for others, it can contribute to stress, comparison, and even burnout. Today, let's explore both sides of YouTube and its impact on mental health, the upsides and the downsides, and how can we find balance. Okay, first, let's talk about the positives. Research shows that 72% of people use YouTube to learn something new, from mental health professionals sharing coping strategies to meditation and mindfulness channels. YouTube offers free resources that can support emotional well-being. There's community. People often feel less alone when they find creators sharing similar struggles. For example, studies on online peer support suggest that shared experiences can reduce feelings of isolation and increase hope. And for creators, there's the creative outlet. YouTube can be a form of self-expression. Studies in psychology show that expressing yourself creatively can lower stress, improve mood, and even build resilience. So yes, YouTube has a lot of potential to improve mental health. But there is another side. Constantly watching highlight reels of other people's lives can trigger unrealistic standards and comparison. Psychologists link this to social comparison theory, where people measure themselves against others, often leading to lower self-esteem. There's also overusing screen time. The average user spends about 45 minutes per day on YouTube. For some, that turns into hours. Research links excessive screen time with increased anxiety, sleep problems, and reduced focus. And for YouTubers, the creators, there is burnout. The pressure to stay consistent can be overwhelming. A survey by the New York Times reported that many creators experience high stress, exhaustion, and even depression from the constant demand to produce content. Exposure to harmful or toxic content, plus dealing with online criticism, can affect mental health. Cyberbullying. Research shows it can increase risks of depression and anxiety. Much of what has been said above can be applied to other social uh, online platforms. So let's get that clear. So what can we do? The goal is not to quit YouTube, but to use it mindfully. A few tips backed by research I'll share with you. Set boundaries. Try screen-free times, especially before bed. Curate your feed. Follow creators who uplift and inspire you, and don't hesitate to block harmful content. For creators, remember that breaks are healthy. Studies show that rest and recovery actually boost long-term creativity and productivity. Ready to take control of your YouTube experience? Start by setting a small boundary today. Thank you for joining me on this video today. I hope you found it valuable. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you at the next video. Thanks again. Disclaimer. Please note that the information discussed in this video is for general information and educational purposes only and should not be considered a substitute for the advice of a mental health professional or as a diagnosis or treatment. If you feel that you may need psychological or medical advice, please consult a qualified healthcare professional. Thank you.